Oh, yeah. Hey, we're buddies now. We're buddies now. You got everything?
Yes, we're packed up.
We're gonna take off this morning and go down to 7 Magic Mountains first in Nevada. And then where are we going, Michelle?
Pioneer Saloon.
It is 10:22 a.m. We better get going.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay.
So we got BLM land to our left and our right. And we noticed somebody boondocking down here in a motorhome.
Off-road.
Off-road in a Hyundai Sonata hybrid.
Woo-hoo!
So this is all BLM land.
Proceed to the route.
Yes, Siri.
Gosh, she's so pushy.
I know, right?
Seven Magic Mountains, turn left.
In 7.8 miles, prepare to park your car near Las Vegas Boulevard South. You will need to walk to your destination from there.
We see the 7 Magic Mountains off in the distance to the left. They are very colorful totem type poles that are supposed to be like 35 feet high, colorful, and have the desert and mountains in the background.
Did you see the venomous snake sign?
I did.
I figured that was the first thing she would say. There's venomous snakes.
Just another snake warning sign. For some reason, they keep reminding me of like ice cream cones.
Oh boy, she said that magic word, ice cream. It's all over now.
It's chilly. Why don't you get through your jacket?
It is a little chilly out here today. I'm one of the very few that don't have a jacket on.
Here's cookies.
Oh, yeah. Hey, we're buddies now. We're buddies now. You guys shake? Axel.
I don't know if
Axel,
he'll do
can you
it.
shake?
Turn around.
Wow,
Turn around. Good boy. This is 7 Magic Mountains, and it's by an artist that just put this exhibition out here in the middle of the desert south of Las Vegas. Exhibition started in 2016, and it was only supposed to be for a couple of years, I believe, but in 2018 they did get an extension off this BLM land to have it for 3 more years, so 2021 it will be out here till. It's a great photo op, as you could tell by many people that are out here. A couple other drones that are in the air other than ours. It literally is nothing else out here. and it's pretty close off of Interstate 15 to get here. He wanted to depict the hustle and bustle of the highway going to and from Las Vegas and Los Angeles, and the mountainous range, I believe, is what this symbolizes. Something like that. Pretty cool.
That was kind of cool.
Yeah.
Seeing all that.
Very cool photo, huh? I swear a bus dropped off a zillion kids. They were very noisy too.
I guess I was thinking there was going to be more than this when you were reading it off to me. I thought there was more than just this one set of painted rocks out in the middle of the desert.
Nope. Just 7 painted totem pole rocks out in the middle of the desert.
Totem pole, huh?
But as you're on the highway, and if you were to look over here and not know anything about them, you'd be like, why are there 7 totem pole painted rocks in the middle of the desert?
Yeah. That's true.
And I can't pronounce the artist's name. He's Swedish. It's something like Uno
Jivojogobu. Well, we didn't run into any venomous snakes.
Thank God.
And my string from the backpack swinging didn't scare me this time.
It's good. Getting used to it.
Where are we off to now?
Pioneer Saloon.
Alright.
Got time for lunch?
Sure.
And we can hear about some Old West.
Always up for some Old West. Our car is right there.
I know, but you go through it. Otherwise, you're climbing over it.
Oh, my lord.
This is the end, huh?
Every time we go out to see these sights, and it's just another thing, and it makes me so glad we decided to do this.
I agree.
A lot of people say, oh, you're so lucky to be empty nesters and that. I thought that at first, but man, after watching some of the other families that are doing this, they're the ones that's lucky that gets to do that with their kids and spend all that time with their kids, homeschool them, keep them away from drugs. They still get to mingle with all the other kids in these families.
Yeah.
Gosh, we've seen so many families out there already. And they get all of this history plus the history that they're learning through their homeschooling.
Right.
Just all that quality time you get with your kids before they turn 18 and before they move out of the house. And were you going to say something?
I don't even remember. If I did, it was so long ago.
Yeah, sorry about that. It's usually the other way around.
Whatever. There's a story that Clark Gable spent 3 days here at the saloon while he waited for news about a plane crash that his wife was in near here, which ended up being fatal. He lost his wife in that crash. So it's a functioning saloon. They're supposed to serve food and drinks, and it was when I was married to Carol Lombard. So I'm not sure what year that was, but
I didn't even know that.
yeah.
This is kind of neat, out in the middle of nowhere. A lot of the people from the races are here today.
Oh yeah, it was made up.
Little tin.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool.
See now.
sure.
Yeah, I'll definitely bring you a couple waters. We are known for our Bloody Marys.
I was gonna say, well, I'll try one.
Okay.
I'm just gonna stick with the water.
All right, I'll get those going.
Thanks.
Thank you.
I saw that.
Cheech and Chong.
Talk about a lowrider.
And so
Got a hydraulic.
I put it down to like level 1 or whatever.
Hydraulic lift.
Is it?
Well, I have to say, that was kind of cool.
Yeah, very interesting.
Out in the middle of nowhere. Really, really cool.
Good food. Good Bloody Mary.
And good company.
And good company.
Awesome.
And good music. Live band.
Yeah, they were really good.
What you got there? His
Yeah, so we got
CD.
their CD. Chris here's The Road Ahead Shines. He gave us one of his CDs.
He's an excellent singer.
He said it was a song about being on the road.
Oh, cool.
How ironic. We had told him that we're full-time RVers, and he's like, oh man, that's something I always want to do.
Look at
But all of his gigs, he says, is all around the Vegas area all the time, so he never gets to travel much, but he wants to get an RV and go to Maine. I said, in the summer. These are some of our favorite places, just little hole wall places. Out in the middle of nowhere. Well, we thought we would play the CD from Chris Hears that just gave us this CD. Play that during a little time lapse while we're driving down the road, and a little appreciation of him giving us this CD. Want to hit? Hit go.
Like the kid, here go.
I bought a car on a whim last week. Top down won't go up, so I got it real cheap. I need gasoline, a new sunrise, and I'm free. It's early morning in this Washington town, and I'm supposed to be at work by now. The time clock rings, I don't hear a thing.
So this is supposed to be what? The world's largest Chevron?
Apparently.
Remember that world's largest truck stop on I-80 in Iowa?
Yeah. So this
It
would
seems-
be the
Proceed to the
Chevron.
route.
Oh, Siri.
The world's largest Chevron.
I never saw Colorado this green. My iPhone rings.
We are in Primm, Nevada. Primm was previously known by the name of State Line, but was renamed in 1996 to avoid confusion with State Line in northern Nevada. It is named after the original developer of the town, Ernest J. Primm. The community's economy is based on its 3 casinos, which attract gamblers from Southern California wanting to stop before reaching Las Vegas 40 miles to the north, or as a last chance to gamble before leaving Nevada. Most of Primm's residents are employees of the casino.
it is on the state line between Nevada and California. On the California side, it has a store that sells lottery tickets because Nevada does not have a state lottery.
Tell everybody the name of that road.
Lotto Road, and it sells the most California lottery tickets from this location in the entire state of California.
I got a Slim Jim for
Wow, that's a
That's
nice.
a nice pre-roll.
Yeah.
So I think this is Buffalo Bill's casino that we're in the back of.
West Town, Red Bull.
This road here is the state line. We have now crossed into California.
Just like that.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Let's go get our winning lottery ticket.
Let's. And then we'll go get our new Prevost.
Okay. We could get a few of them.
One's good enough for me.
Dream up a world of pirates. Climb the highest tree. Fall down. Mama, I'm fine, don't worry. Go back out, you see. Sail home, sweet home. Where the ships must go to get all cleaned up and put away. Call it a day. Call it a day. Call it a day. Call it a day. Call it a day.
Our car is right there.
I know, but you go through. Otherwise, you're climbing over it.
Oh my lord.
This is the entrance.
We have to follow the law. You can't go down there and climb across the fence. You have to go through the entrance.
It's where a bus had dropped
switch
off.
sides with you.
As I was saying, it's where a bus dropped off a zillion kids. They were very noisy too.
You're gonna be that annoyed little old lady that lives next door, aren't you? Oh, whippersnappers. Oh, they got us ever on. We better keep this camera on us because we keep doing goofy things. Like but you can't talk right.
That's all, folks.